Welcome to the StatTree Help video module for new environments. In general, good practice involves keeping your R environment up to date by updating R, the RStudio IDE, and installed packages. However, with these updates comes the possibility that your previously functional scripts no longer run due to incompatibilities with dependencies. Fortunately, you can prevent this possibility by creating reproducible environments for your R projects. These projects can then be shared. The first step involves installing the renv package into the R environment. Please see the StatTree Help video for a demonstration on how to install packages in R. Once renv is installed, the next step is to create a new project. This project will store all of the packages needed for any of the associated scripts within the project environment library. Click on the New Project icon in RStudio. When the New Project wizard appears, select New Directory, select New Project as the project type, then type in a new directory name. Be sure to select Use renv with this project. You may choose Open in a new session. Press the Create Project button. The console will restart and you will notice the new project directory above the prompt. If you click on the project file in the File window, a Project Options dialog box will appear. Here you can make any changes to the project parameters. Click on the Environments tab and check to see if Use renv with this project option is selected. You can use this procedure to select renv if your project was previously created. Press the Script button on the Sending page to see the code for creating a new project through the terminal directory, as opposed to the procedure demonstrated here. Once your new project has been created, you can associate your code with this project. However, you may notice that your required packages are not installed. This occurs because the new project is isolated from the global environment where these packages may have been previously installed. Click on the link to install the required packages. Once your packages are installed, test your code by selecting your code and pressing the Run icon. If your code runs with no errors, then it should continue to do so after updating software or packages in the global environment. If you receive an error, you may have to install a version of the package that was current when the code was written.